Hello, I am Chaitra V. Bhagalkot. I am giving seminar on the topic quantum computing under the guidance of Bergi Veeresh Gowda. First, let me give a brief introduction about what is quantum computing and what is quantum computer. Quantum computing began in the early 90s when physicist Paul Benioff proposed a quantum mechanical model. Quantum computing uses the quantum mechanical phenomena such as superposition and enlargement to perform computation. Superposition is the counter-initiative ability of a quantum objects. Enlargement is a phenomenon in which quantum entities are created and manipulated. Quantum computers is a model of how to build a computer. The idea is that quantum computers use the quantum mechanics. Quantum and classical computers both try to solve problems, but the way of solving the problem is different. Whereas quantum computers uses atom to perform calculation and they are based on principle of quantum theory. A quantum computer uses qubits to supply information, where qubits is 2 bits to communicate through the system. Objective. The main objective of developing the quantum computers is to execute algorithm for large numbers. Here, there are two algorithms, Grover's algorithm and Shor's algorithm. Shor's algorithm is a polynomial type quantum algorithm for integer fabrication, whereas Grover's algorithm is a quantum algorithm that finds with high probability that unique input to a black box function that produces a particular output value. Quantum computers are great for solving optimization problems, from figuring out the best way to schedule flights at an airport to determine the best delivery routes for the truck. Area of problem. Conventional computers store information in the form of bits and bytes, and the scope is only limited to zeros and ones. Thus, flexibility in conventional computer is restrained. There are two main approaches to implement a quantum computer, analog and digital. Analog is further divided into quantum simulation, quantum annealing, and adiabatic quantum computation. Digital quantum computers uses quantum logic gates to do the computation. Both approaches uses quantum bits or qubits. Quantum bits or qubits are not only restrained to values such as 0 and 1, in fact they also provide a possibility of the information being intermediate between 0 and 1, thus making them more flexible and reliable for massive calculations. Applications of quantum computing. There are many applications of quantum computing: artificial intelligence, molecular modeling, cryptography, financial modeling, weather forecasting, particle physics, cyber security, drug development, better batteries, cleaner fertilization, traffic optimization, solar capture. Here I am going to explain about few. The artificial intelligence. The primary application for quantum computing is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is based on the principle of learning from experience, becoming more accurate and giving the feedback. And this feedback is calculated by the quantums, possibly choices from the possible choices, and so artificial intelligence is an ideal candidate for quantum computation. Cryptography. Most online security currently depends on the difficulty of factoring large numbers into primes. Quantum computers can perform such factoring exponentially more efficiently than digital computers. There are other quantum encryption methods being developed using the one-way nature of quantum entanglement. Next, weather forecasting. Quantum computers predict the weather more accurately than classical computers. There are few limitations with current computers in predicting all the intricate changes in weather. Quantum computers offer a big speed up compared to classical means because of dynamic computation and quantum clustering methodology. Financial modeling. To modern market are some of the most complicated systems in existence. While we have developed increasingly scientific and mathematical tools to address this, it still suffers from one major difference between the scientific fields. To solve this, investors and analysts have turned to quantum computing. One immediate advantage is that the randomness inherent to quantum computers to the stochastic nature of financial markets. Another advantage of quantum offers is that financial operations, such as arbitrage, may require many path-dependent steps, the number of possibilities quickly outspacing the capacity of a digital computer. So, quantum computing offers different financial applications in the industry fields. Drug design. Designing and developing a drug is the most challenging problem in computational chemistry. Many of the drugs being developed via trial and error method, which is not only expensive but also risky and challenging task to complete. Researchers believe quantum computing can be effective way of simulating how drug will react, which in turn can save tons of money and time. These advancements in machine learning and optimization could enhance the efficiently dramatically with biomedical and chemical simulation, could help companies carry more drug discoveries and be able to uncover new medical treatments in record time. Methodology. Quantum computing is, as earlier said, it is based on qubits. Here, quantum computing is modeled by quantum circuits. Quantum circuits are based on quantum bit or qubits. Qubits can be in a 1 or 0 quantum state, or they can be in a superposition of the 1 and 0 states. The results of qubit is always measured either a 0 or a 1. Computation is performed by the manipulating qubits with a quantum logic keys. As shown in the figure, there is a classical bit and a qubit. Next, benefits to the society. Quantum computing could change the world. It could transform medicine, break encryption, and bring the revolution in communications and artificial intelligence. Due to its precise and accurate calculations, the demand of quantum computers has progressively increased. Many enterprises have started investing in quantum computers instead of conventional computers. One such company that has been dedicated to working on the concept of quantum computing is Google. Already, there are many industries which have quantum computers in order to increase their efficiency or economy in the industry field. Many government has already installed quantum computers for military and medical security. Quantum computers are useful in treating the cancer patients, in knowing their status on which stage is the cancer, and also in other medical fields. Quantum computers can predict the weather with absolute accuracy, but at least it will be less likely that we will regret not to bring an umbrella on suspicious sunny days. Future scope. The concept, the concept of quantum computers has undergone research and development for a few decades now, and the outcome has been quite promising too. In the future, the demand of quantum computers is going to increase. The idea of combining the quantum mechanics and computation is remarkable spectacle in itself. Spectacle in itself. Quantum computing will enable industries to tackle problems they never would have attempted to solve before. And the quantum computing market is projected to grow strongly through the next decade, according to the recent report. The recent report was produced by Tencent with the Tencent report. The quantum computers demands are increasing day by day by seeing the recent reports. So we can estimate that in future there will be a lot of demand for quantum computers, and it is good that all the industries and government is adopting the quantum computers for betterment. Conclusion. Though quantum computers are possible to perform simple operations like classical computers, it is not as cheap as classical computers. So quantum computers can be used for complex operations using a large amount of data. As before said, there is a Grover's algorithm and Shor's algorithm, which have the integer factorization, which can solve the polymer time quantum algorithm, which helps this quantum computer to solve lot of optimization problems. So better we use this quantum computers for those complex operations rather than simple ones. As we can say, it is not cheap, it is expensive. Here are the references. Thank you.